Alright guys, I'm done for the day. I had an amazing day on AMD, and this is kind of what I was looking at here. This is actually three separate trades on AMD. There's one, again, they're kind of quick here at the beginning because AMD can move quick, and then this is all one trade right there. So basically both of these first two trades are worth 40% of my daily goal. So I was at about 80% of my daily goal right here, and then this by itself was man, I just got stopped out right before that even bigger move. But this longer trade here was 80% by itself, so I'm at like 170% of my daily goal here. But what I saw was AMD started weak, sold off. I mean, it actually had really high volume, but it didn't really go anywhere in this first candle, and then sold off really hard, got below the 200 moving average over here, and that made me really interested. And I normally wait the first 5 minutes, but the setup here was too good to resist. So I really liked that we were holding below this 200. I mean, it tested popping out multiple times here, barely with these wicks, but then came right back under. And the fact that this candle closed at or below the 200 MA on the 1 minute made me feel really good. So I went ahead and took this short, and I just said, look, if it starts getting away from the 200, like it's going to go to VWAP, I'm done. But because it was squirreling around at first as it tried to find direction, I took partials really quick here. I think I got 3 quick partials on that, and it was more profitable than it looks, because although this is they're really close together, this is, I actually got if I look over here, yeah, I actually got almost 20 cents from my entry to my best partial. But then it started coming back up on me and I got all out. Then it started pulling back down and I liked it, so I went ahead and got back in short right here at this red triangle, and then partialed out rather quickly here towards around the $80 mark. And then as it started pulling back up on me, that's what this very last one was me getting out. Then I kept watching it because the volume still told me that it looked weak, and that any bullish volume seemed to be a consolidation. So I said, when it gets near 81, I'm going to try and take it short. And it required a lot of patience. I was very tempted to get in right here when we threw this doji right here, and then right when it opened over here, it started going down. I was tempted to get an entry right here, but I just felt like that was no man's land, so I resisted, and I wanted to get close to 81, which is where this 200 MA still was. So I did. I got an entry close to 81, partialed out pretty quickly. Again, it looks like it happened really quickly, but on this trade, even my first partial, I got 10 cents out of, which is a little quick. But my second partial, I was at 16 cents. And my best partial, I got about 70 cents out of this move. So it was a really good trade for me. If it broke 81, I was out. This was an ad. This was a bad ad because I kind of added on a chase. But if I would have waited and then added at the $80 mark, this is the move I thought was still left, was to get down to this, because this is yesterday's low, this 79.33 level, this dash red, and I thought we had the opportunity to get there, so I added in thinking, well, I'm going to push for down here, but really I need to add on pullbacks, and that lowered my break even to such a level that I missed the last bit of this move here. But again, it was a great trade for me, and I had such a small share size at that point. It's not a huge loss, but just as far as an actionable way to have improved my trading today, I needed to do that. I should have been better on that ad. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great day as well, and we'll keep at it.